What's up guys, and in today's video I want to clarify how much money you really need in order to start a Google Shopping campaign. Now a lot of people ask me this all the time, like how much do I need to start? Is it $5, $10? What do I really need? So in this video I want to clarify this. I want to give you some ideas on what kind of budget you need in which case and how to determine how much you're gonna need. So stick with me till the end of this video and you will learn what budget you need to start your successful shopping campaign. Let's get started. Alright guys, so when you want to get started with Google Shopping but also with Google AdWords, I recommend that you have at least $10 a day to spend. Now why $10? It may seem a little random, it may seem like a made up number, but if you think about it, in the beginning you can easily get clicks for like 30 to 60 or 50 or 60 cents. So in the beginning, when you have a daily budget of $10, you definitely won't get all the clicks in your space or for your keywords. So you will always get the lower end of clicks, and as I told you in my last video about Google Shopping, how to get from $0 to $10,000 in sales with Google Shopping, you can check it here. As I told you in this video, you will always get the lower end of clicks with a small budget. So you should really go for the cheapest clicks in your budget. That way, if you have $10 a day to spend and you spend around 30 to 60 cents per click, you can get at least like 15 to 30 clicks per day. Now with 15 to 30 clicks a day, you can definitely make some tests. You can find out which products work. You can test your landing page. You can make all kind of tests, like if you send people to a collection page or if you send them directly to the product page. With $10 per day, you can do all these tests. Now, of course, if you only spend $10 a day all the time, these tests will take a little longer because, as you can imagine, 15 to 30 clicks is not ideal. So if you get 15 clicks a day, you have to wait 10 days until you get 150 clicks. And if you have 150 clicks, you can really make some good decisions on whether it works or not, because with only like 60 clicks, it is much more difficult because it means that you would need around 2% conversion rate in order to make one sale. So if you have $10 per day to spend, this is fine, you can start, but I recommend that you spend like $20 to $25 a day. This is, in my opinion, for a beginner, really the best budget to start with. Now, you don't need much more than that because at some point you may lose a lot while testing. So if you are totally new to AdWords and you spend $100 a day immediately, there will be huge losses in these $100. So it's better to start a little lower and then go step by step and, you know, spend every dollar learning, and then you can make new decisions and update your campaign and optimize it every single day. Whereas if you spend a lot of money immediately because you want to get fast results, you will lose a lot of these dollars. So my recommendation is here, spend as much as you can up to, let's say, $30 per day. And if you get some results and once things start to work out, you can gradually increase that to 50, 75, 100, 200 or whatever. But the minimum I would say is $10. If you go below that, it will just take you super long to get any kind of results. Imagine spending $5 a day, the famous $5 per day strategy that you heard a lot about in Facebook ads, even though this might be $5 per ad set. This is not something that I recommend simply because it takes too long. And if you are in a competitive niche, you may get like a handful of clicks for these $5 only. So as I said, think about having at least 10 up to like 25, 30, and with this you will be able to get at least some sales on Google Shopping after a certain amount of days. So make sure that you put this aside. Don't start with AdWords if you only have a total budget of like $30 or $50 or something, because it won't work, or it only works if you are very, very lucky. Keep this in mind. If you want to be serious with AdWords, have at least like $200 or $300 aside that you can use for testing and getting started. Once sales come in, of course, you can put them also back into your campaigns, but keep that minimum budget in your pocket to start. So I hope that this very short little video helps you a little bit determine what kind of budget you need and why you need it. As I said, it's all a matter of clicks. If you get cheap clicks, you will get more of them, and you need clicks in order to test your product and your page. So get at least like 20, 25 clicks per day. This would be ideal. And yeah, doing so you can learn a lot about your store and what people like and what they don't like. So keep this in mind. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like. Please subscribe to this channel for more information about Google AdWords, Google Shopping, e-commerce, dropshipping, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.